Stop letting fatigue control your day. With ImuRegen, boost your energy, immunity, and much more. Imagine a single supplement that not only ramps up your immune system, but also repairs your body, rejuvenates your mind, and refuels your energy. That's ImuRegen for you, a powerhouse of nucleotides, amino acids, and oligopeptides. Whether you're an athlete looking for quicker recovery post-workout, a busy professional needing mental sharpness, or just someone aiming for overall wellness, ImuRegen has got your back. It helps manage stress, supports cognitive function, and keeps you alert, making every day a good day. Remember, it's always wise to consult your doctor to see if ImuRegen fits into your health regime. Click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get updated with this kind of health video. Ready to feel energetic, sharp, and well-defended against health challenges? Try ImuRegen and feel the difference. Stay tuned to the next segment to take a peek on the science and power of ImuRegen when it comes to optimal health and vitality. Check the links below in the description box to know more about ImuRegen and how to avail it online.
Are you often feeling sick? Does it seem like you catch every cold that comes around? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people suffer from poor health, easily falling ill due to weak immunity and hereditary disease, with your DNA being damaged. The cause? An imbalanced body lacking essential nutrients. Introducing ImuRegen Liquid. ImuRegen is a revolutionary new way to help repair damaged DNA. It works by repairing the chemical bonds that keep our DNA together and helping to restore cellular health. A complex of dietary nucleotides that helps restore the balance of essential nutrients in your body, supporting immunity and overall health. ImuRegen Liquid is a natural health booster with no side effects. It is made with natural ingredients, oligonucleotides, proteins, 20 amino acids, and minerals that help you stay healthy and strong. Say goodbye to poor health and weak immunity with ImuRegen Liquid. Start feeling healthier and stronger at the DNA level today.